Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Hillsboro, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving becomes easier when you have the right team and the right options, such as packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Our team of movers will give you a better moving experience. When you're relocating several states over or just one state away, we can help. If it's time to move, you need the right team to help you. An Illinois moving company can be used for your local move too. While it's a shorter move, it's still a very big job, and you still have to complete it. Imagine packing up all the things, loading the boxes and furniture into a truck, and then having to unload it all at your new location. Does that sound like a fun day to you? If you choose 3 Movers, you get the team you need for your local move. We save you time and energy by doing all the hard work for you. We can even get a much larger move done in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hillsboro moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.